Hey guys, just gonna be real with you. It feels really weird going to a Jeep event when you're driving a truck. Stay tuned. So every June, the WNC Jeepers puts on a huge 2-day Jeep event in beautiful Maggie Valley, North Carolina called the WNC Jeep Fest. This event is growing more and more each year, surging the community with thousands of Jeep enthusiasts from all over the country, as well as manufacturers from the off-road industry, local Jeep shops and fabricators, charitable organizations, as well as other vendors. So whether you're looking for great deals on parts for your build or Jeep-related merchandise, this event has just about everything you could ask for. So it doesn't matter if you're into show Jeeps, themed Jeeps, Jeeps with ducts, or maybe classic and older Jeep builds are more your thing. There's really something for everyone. Jeep rides, a show and shine, and yeah, there are Jeeps stacked on top of Jeeps here too. So be sure to put this event on your calendar for next June and check out the WNC Jeepers group and the WNC Jeep Fest page on Facebook. Find out more about Jeep Fest, head on over to WNCJeepFest.com. And as always guys, I hope you're living life adventurously, and until next time, I'll see you on the trail.